Hey, this is Jeremy with Mold Doctors USA. In this video, we're going to talk about fungus and mold, what the difference is, and what you should know. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Jeremy with Mold Doctors USA. So we are asked the question often, what is the difference between fungus and mold? Well, the clear answer is there's no difference between fungus and mold. Mold is a fungus, and to be completely honest, you can't treat mold. Anytime that you have a problem with fungus or mold, it needs to be physically removed. There is no treatment for it. So what happens is each state department of agriculture assigns a charter number, and as a pest control company, that charter number enables you to purchase fungicides, which are similar to pesticides. Now, that doesn't make them a remediation company, and they have a clear disclaimer: they do not treat mold, they just treat fungus. So they don't do remediation work, so they can't physically remove the fungus and they cannot physically remove the mold. If you were to hire a third-party inspector to come in after one of these fungicide treatments, and I'm not referring to a remediation company that does mold testing, inspection, and remediation, that is considered a conflict of interest for any remediation company to offer testing. Now, they can offer consulting work, but they cannot offer testing. Now, that's illegal in several states. So hiring a third-party inspector would be someone that's an independent consultant or independent environmental professional. That person will be able to come in, take several types of samples from that structure, that crawl space area or basement area where your fungus treatment has been done. 99% of the time, those samples will come back with mold still present. Now, as a homeowner, what can you do at that point? Well, you don't have many options. Those disclaimers are pretty clear, and pest control companies are pretty adamant about the fact that they do not treat mold, they only treat fungus. So before you hire a pest control company, and I have friends, we have companies we work with in the pest control industry that do not offer this service because of the liability involved. They understand that they are putting themselves at risk. So before you hire a pest control company to come in and take care of fungus but not mold, beware, contact a remediation company to come in and look at the situation. Thanks for watching, subscribe, we'll see you soon.